We're talking to everybody, no matter which city you're from, no matter what your personal circumstances are. But if you have the ability to dream, and somehow, logically, illogically, if you can convince yourself that it's going to happen, it's just a matter of time.
Why did you leave engineering to become an actor? Because he wants to do the same, right?
To be very honest, I felt cheated because you know how hard it is, to get into that engineering college. But I felt cheated because there were no girls in the college, man. I'm like, seriously.
No, bad. I need
You
the bad.
slog for months, and then you're a mechanical engineer, computer. Yeah, so mechanical, right? There are no girls. I felt cheated, so I was like, no, this is not done. And somebody told me that you should go and try and do professional dancing because there you have very good-looking girls. And I started off with dancing, and then I realized, okay, this is something that I really want to do for the rest of my life.
The film is presumably about Dhoni, the cricketer. So is there any mention of N. Srinivasan and all the controversies around Dhoni at all?
We just not trying to glorify him. We're not over-dramatizing anything. Right from his birth till 2011 World Cup 6 that he hit, we are showing each and everything. And it's just not because he's such a popular captain, he's such a popular cricketer, but there is something very, very important to say. And we are talking to everybody, and I personally believe in that. We're talking to everybody, no matter which city you're from, no matter what your personal circumstances are. But if you have the ability to dream, and somehow, logically, illogically, if you can convince yourself that it's going to happen, it's just a matter of time.
You grew up in Patna.
Yes.
Dhoni grew up in Ranchi. If I were to ask you your dream, from the boy who came and did engineering, who decided then to do dancing because that was a way of meeting girls.
Yeah.
Who then went to Bombay, did theatre with Barry John before that. What is your big dream?
There's only one similarity that when I started off preparing for MS Dhoni is that we have this thing similar. I'm just not obsessed about the future. I don't have goals. I just know that this is, if I'm doing something that I'm really, really interested in, and to a point that I am there and not, taking myself seriously is the only thing that drives me, Because I'll tell you an example. I was in my 4th grade or 5th grade, and I see this picture of a very fancy car in a magazine, and I thought, okay, one day I'll be so successful that I'm gonna buy that car. And then I'll get to know that now I'm successful, I've arrived. And very recently, 2 years back, I actually was buying that car. I couldn't sleep the entire night. I got up in the morning, I bought that car, I went out with my friends, and the second day, I was used to the idea of owning that car. So I felt cheated that I stayed with that dream for 15 years, and the dream stayed with me for a day. So it's not important where you arrive, but it's the journey. It's right now, which is very, very, very important.